Alright everyone, so we are now up in the mountains proper. This is where I caught that tick the other day. So I'm a little nervous. I even bought a bottle of permethrin and I haven't used it yet. So it's probably my fault. Well, probably nothing, it is my fault, but I mean, this is nice. I don't see any deer. Usually they're just everywhere up here. But I did see a squirrel right off over this way. So I'm just gonna do a little walking around and see what we can see. All the snow's melted up here, which is fantastic. But yeah, we'll just sneak around up here and see what we can find. Definitely one of my most favorite places to be is right here. It's just absolutely amazing. All of these logs with the moss on it. It's stunning. Look at that. Fantastic. Spring is springing, that's for sure. A lot of firebugs out, which is the way it is every spring. And I really don't care about any bugs, except for two. And that would be brown recluse, spiders, and ticks. I can deal with anything else. Oh, we got a duck right here, guys. Did you guys see the bird? Isn't she spectacular, guys? Right in the way of his stick, so I know it looks blurry. There we go. Awesome. Wasn't that exciting, guys? I think I got some good pictures. We'll see what it looks like when we get home. I'm gonna try to sneak away without scaring her. I don't want to disturb her if I can at all help it. She's just feeding. Yeah, okay, good. I'm a good distance away now. And she's still feeding. I think she knew I was there. But I'm not positive. This ghillie suit really allows you to get a lot closer to the wildlife, it seems, which is exactly why I did it. Wow. She's beautiful. And I saw a bunch of fish swimming down in that hole too. I'm going to be coming back here with my fishing pole. But it's quite odd because she's all by herself. Let me flip the camera around, I can show you that she's not disturbed. See, there she is right there, floating by that log. And I didn't even disturb her. Awesome. Absolutely beautiful day. I got some photographs. I got out for a walk in the woods. Can't beat it, guys. I want to thank you all for joining me. I really appreciate it. And to all my new subs, I don't know, man, I think I've gained about 120 subs in the last 3 months. And I want to thank all of you for subbing to my channel and supporting what I do. I really appreciate it, guys. If you're not subbed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. See you guys on the next one. Be safe and adventure on, everyone.